Hello, friends, welcome back to my cozy space Little Things Daily. How you all are doing? Now I have recovered a lot from the common cold and flu which I was suffering from. Today I visited Orion Mall in Bangalore. It used to be one of the largest malls in Bangalore before this Mall of Asia and Lulu Mall was there. Till now I think it is one of the largest malls. It is in Rajajinagar side. I came here after so many days. There are too many good brand stores here in this mall. I came here almost after a year, I think, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. Chalo, let's have a good roam around the mall. And I have also heard that there is some kind of mela which is happening in this mall. Actually, from time to time, in various times of the year, there will be various kinds of events, festivals, and melas and gatherings in so many malls across Bangalore. This time, here in Orion Mall, it is happening. So, mainly that attracted me to come here. But before that, going to the Mela side, before that, let us have some peek through the stores. See, there's a good amount of crowd. Chalo, this is the Mela. I have already come towards the backside of the mall. Wow, the lights look beautiful. This huge building, blue color, that is the World Trade Center. And I have always been I've always been admiring these residential complexes. Whenever I visit Orion Mall, I feel that the people staying here are so lucky. They're staying in such a posh area of Bangalore, and these residential areas look really grand and very beautiful. Chalo, let's have a roam around the Mela and check out what all stores are there. But overall, it is looking very beautiful to me. The overall decoration and people, there is good number of crowd, isn't it? It's been so many years I have not visited the Rath Yatra Mela, which is very famous in my hometown. I have been visiting that Mela every year, at least 5 6 times each year. Since I was a kid, everywhere I see Mela and gathering and fair, I remember those memories. It's nostalgia. Let's visit this store of keyrings. These keyrings are really cute, isn't it? These are silicone keyrings, and nowadays it is very trending everywhere. Even in hill stations, shops, I see these keyrings. It's very cute. Actually, I'm thinking to pick up one keyring from here for my mother. I'm just choosing which one to take. You can comment me down which one it's cute. I should pick up for my mother. Oh my god, these ice creams are looking really good. Did you really think those are ice creams? No, even I thought they're ice creams from the front. Seeing with my own eye, also, I thought they're ice creams, but they're actually candles. So beautifully done, isn't it? So many aesthetic stores are here. See, here I have taken a little bit closer view of the World Trade Center. It is looking majestic, isn't it? This part of the Orion Mall is my absolute favorite. This small lake. Here's a fountain which they usually start during the evening with some light effects, and now I'm thinking to have some burrito. Actually, for the first time in my life, I'm going to taste California burrito. I have seen and heard a lot about this store, but I never really had the chance to taste it. Always been a pizza and a biryani fan, so never really got the opportunity to taste something other than that. Here I have given the order for a chicken California burrito. Let's see how they make it. I will show you the whole process. So in basically it's a wrap kind of a thing or a roll. They have taken a chapati like base. On that they're putting various toppings, and the choice of toppings also they are asking me, means I can choose which all toppings I can keep inside my wrap, I mean inside my burrito. So you can comment and tell me how many of you have been to California Burrito and what are their reviews in your cities. What is the taste and what is the hype of this store, this brand? Because here in Bangalore it is very famous and people will be having burrito like anything. It is very trending here in Bangalore. Beside me also they're making one veg burrito, and the one which is being wrapped is my chicken burrito. Already all the toppings have been done. I have not taken cheese because I avoid processed cheese. I have only taken three types of chicken stuffings, and not like, yeah, three types of chicken stuffings and some veggies and corn and that rajma stuffing which they gave. So here is my chicken California burrito. That's all for today. Let me enjoy my burrito and head back home. It's almost evening, and if you like the vlog, please hit the like button and comment down anything if you want to share with me. Till then, stay happy, stay enjoying. Meet you super soon in some next vlog. And also, I'm planning to post some Ladakh vlogs, so see you there. Bye.